Okay, so on today's video here, I'm going to be showing you how to place this kind of trade. So whenever I place a trade like this, I'm going to be showing you how to place it and how to understand the kind of risk parameter you want to use on that account here. So I'm going to be using this my account for the explanation. So the first thing you want to watch out for, you want to watch out for the signal type. This is the signal here. You want to watch out for the signal type, and as you can see here, this signal here is telling us it's a short trade. So it's a short trade here, which means we are selling short. So if I want to, I have a $60 account, as this account has only $60 inside of it. So let's say I want to place a trade and I want to risk only $10 inside this $60 account. So this is how you are going to do it. You first select the pair. As you can see, the pair is Solana USDT. You want to make sure you have selected the pair over here. You search for Sol USDT is going to appear. You are going to select it. Then you want to make sure this is also on isolated. Yeah, you will make sure that your money is not crossing into your main balance. So if you want to trade, like you want to be very risk conscious, you want to make sure it's on isolated. On the leverage part, you don't want to be using the highest leverage. Avoid using the highest leverage at all costs. If you are using the highest leverage, unless maybe you are trading on a very lower time frame, you are picking your entries from a very lower time frame. If not, in most cases you are going to get liquidated, especially if you now have a very sharp market move. You are going to get liquidated before it even tap your stop loss. You might already get liquidated. So you want to avoid using a very high leverage. Yeah, so 20x, you can still adjust it here. Select the pair, select your margin, which will be isolated. Then you want to, we have at this point here, we have limit here. We have the limit order, we have the market order. This is the two common things you are going to be using to place all of this trade, limit or market order. So when it says a limit order here, a limit order basically means you want to wait for the price to, now this is a short trade here, you don't want to enter immediately. You want to wait for the price now to reverse and tap this point before it now sells back down. So it means you want to use this point here as your entry price. You want to enter here, and if the price go above this zone here, you want to cut out of the trade. Just stop loss. It should take you out. You are no more interested because you expect the price to just react from here and continue selling. So you look at the entry price, you look at the stop loss price, your take profit price, and you impute them. Then you manage your risks. So we have 200.88 over here. So I'm just going back to set this at, once you set the limit order, you set the price here 200.88. I guess I'm right. Yeah, 200.88. As you can see, the entry price is the one in black, 200.88. Now the stop loss price is the one above it, the one in red that says 205.63. So that is the stop loss price. Yeah, then you go back and set your stop loss price as well. Where is the stop loss price? If it's like this, make sure you tap on the TPSL. Then you see the where to impute the stop loss price. The stop loss price here is 205.63. You just impute it 205.63. Then your take profit. Impute your take profit as well. The take profit, as you can see, is the one below in red, in green. I mean 183.02 is your take profit. You can also impute that there. 183.02. Now in this case here, it means if you take this trade like this, if you sell short like this, you are going to risk, as you can see, if the trade here where it says estimated PNL, it means if the trade does not go in your favor, you are risking $9.5, approximately $10. If they should take out their trading fees, approximately $10. As you can see here, this is where you fix it. And if the trade should go in your favor, it means you are going to make $35. So that is about, like, I think 1 to 4 ratio or something. Now this is how you just adjust it. Impute the prices. Now if you want to risk lesser, you just come here where it says sold and reduce the amount of sold. So let's say we want to buy 1.0. If I'm buying 1.0, you can see the amount I'm risking now reduce 4 minus 4. The take profit too will definitely also reduce 17. So you want to be knowing when to increase, how to increase, to adjust your take profit and your SL. If I want to increase to take $10, I'm just going to increase it. I'm just going to be increasing it over and over again till it suits me. The loss in which I want to take here, it suits me. So I'm willing to take the $9.5 loss here, and I'll just click on sell short, and I've placed the trade. As you can see, the trade is now placed. Now using this method, once this market now reverse all the way to this zone here, and it gets to this point, the trade will trigger, and if it should go above, I'll lose only $10 or $9.5 ish. So you just calculate everything, and Bybit even make it very easy. Everything will be clear. You are going to see how much you are risking and how much you are making if it goes in your favor, which will just help you, enable you to even know your P&L and everything. So that is just how to trade and understand your risks, how much you are risking per trade on the Bybit application. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. See you on the next one.